Hey guys, so welcome back to the Daily Entertainment Bar Show right here on that TV. If you are new here and haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe by clicking the subscribe button below and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime you drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified. Yeah, so today's bars we have Akuapem Poloo to take COVID-19 tests before official transfer to the Ankaful prison. Yeah, so Akuapem Poloo today, Monday, April 19th, will be transferred to prison after she takes the COVID-19 test. Yeah, so the actress and socialite who was sentenced to 90 days in prison by the Accra Circuit Court on Friday is still in cells at the Osu police station. Yeah, so she's expected to have the COVID-19 test, and if the result comes out negative, she will be transferred to prison. Akuapem Poloo will serve the 90 days jail sentence at the Ankaful maximum prison in the central region of Ghana. Okay guys, watch the video of radio personality Akuapem Poloo giving details of Akuapem Poloo's transfer to Ankaful prison.
Akuapem Poloo mbakoye no COVID-19 test. Edwade yomakoye no COVID-19 test. Womo ye no test ni we are straight up to Ankaful prisons.
Hi guys, as you know, this is your one and only sexy Poloo, Akuapem Poloo. Yeah, Rosemond Brown. I just want to use this opportunity to say thanks to all my legends who supported me. I saw the hashtag, especially Regina Stone, Sarkodie Stone Boy, Bridget Otu, Hajia For Real, Akuma Masindi, DKB. Oh, I can't mention it all. Please, I saw all this, all the bloggers who use their platform to support me. I saw the hashtag. I love you. I know you people love me, and I love you too. The bloggers, mommy, those go celebrity. I know you love me. I'm stubborn, but you still show me love. I saw the money you sent, mommy, for my son. We are grateful, guys. You know your girl is strong. Sometimes in life, you have to pass through some things to make you strong to get to somewhere. I know it's a test I have to go through. I'm strong. You guys know. Please, all that I need is your prayers and your support. Your girl will be back with you guys. I love you. Thank you, Tunde. Thank you, all my Nigerian celebrities. Thank you, all my Ghana celebrities, all over the world who are supporting me. Yeah, Jackson, I love you, sister. I know you love me. I love everyone who has supported me to this. Your girl loves you. It dey pain you. Kiss, kiss.